Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Creating 3D models used to be complicated, time-consuming, and expensive. You needed advanced software, professional design skills, and hours of hard work just to make a single decent model. But now, AI has completely changed the game. Imagine generating high-quality 3D models in just a few seconds, simply by typing an idea or uploading an image. In today's video, I'm going to introduce you to Meshy AI, an incredible AI-powered platform that can instantly turn your imagination into realistic 3D models. Whether you're a beginner, content creator, game developer, or designer, this tool makes 3D creation faster and easier than ever before. Meshy can fit naturally into a wide range of workflows, including most 3D printing and game development use cases such as Blender and Unity Engine. Let's get started. After logging in, you'll see a modern and user-friendly dashboard packed with powerful AI features. From here, you can create detailed 3D models using simple text prompts, or even convert images directly into 3D objects. The platform also includes advanced tools like AI image generation and image-to-video creation, giving you everything you need for creative projects in one place. Now let's explore the text-to-image feature. Instead of creating a 3D model right away, you can first generate stunning AI images, and later transform them into fully detailed 3D models. So first, choose the AI model from here. You'll notice there are multiple models available, each designed for different styles and quality levels. Next comes the prompt section. This is where you describe the image you want to create. After that, you'll see the aspect ratio settings. This is important because it controls the shape and size of your image. Then choose the number of images you want the AI to generate. You can also adjust the stylization settings to control how creative or realistic the final image looks. And if you want more accurate perspectives and viewing angles, you can enable the multi-view option as well. Once everything is set, simply click on Generate and let the AI do the work. Within seconds, you'll get several impressive AI-generated images, each with unique angles, lighting, and artistic styles, all created from a single text prompt. And this is the best part. Any of these generated images can instantly be transformed into a complete 3D model, making the entire creation process incredibly fast and effortless. Alright, now it's time to generate our actual 3D model. This time, I'm going to use the Image to 3D feature because I already have an image that I want to convert into a fully interactive 3D object. Over here on the left, you'll notice several settings like Model Style, AI Engine, and Enhancement options. But honestly, if you're new to this, you don't need to worry too much about these settings. Meshy AI is already optimized really well, so the default options work perfectly for most cases. So I'll leave everything as it is and simply click on Generate. Now, the AI starts analyzing the image and building the 3D structure automatically. The impressive part is how fast this happens. Within just a few moments, the entire model is processed and ready. And there it is, a complete 3D model generated from a single image. You can already see the depth, textures, and overall structure looking surprisingly realistic. I can rotate the model freely, zoom into the details, and inspect it from every angle, just like a professional 3D asset. But now comes the really powerful part. So far, we used an image as the source, but what if you don't have any image at all? That's where Text to 3D comes in. Instead of uploading anything, you can simply describe your idea using text prompts. So I'm switching to the text input option, and here I'll type a detailed description, because better prompts usually lead to more accurate and higher quality results. Once the prompt is ready, I'll keep most of the settings on default again, since the AI already handles everything extremely well automatically. Now I'll click on Texture and wait a few seconds for the generation process to finish. And honestly, this looks incredible. From just a simple text description, the AI has created a fully textured 3D model, complete with realistic surfaces, lighting details, and fine textures that make it feel almost production ready. I can freely move around the model, inspect every side, zoom into small details, and the quality still looks impressive from every angle. And if you want more advanced control, you can even customize settings like polygon count and mesh quality. That means if you're creating assets for games, you can optimize performance with lower poly models. Or if you want maximum detail for animations and renders, you can increase the quality settings instead. Finally, once everything looks perfect, just click on Download, select your preferred file format, and your 3D model is ready to use in games, animations, videos, design projects, or anywhere else you want. And trust me, this is only the beginning of what this AI can actually do. Now we're taking things to the next level. Instead of generating a simple object, this time we're going to create a complete humanoid robot entirely with AI. So I head back to the text to 3D section, and here I enter a detailed prompt describing the kind of robot I want. The more specific your description is, the more impressive and accurate the final result becomes. Now take a look at this option called Model Type. Here you'll usually find two different modes: Standard and Low Poly. If your goal is to create cinematic visuals, YouTube content, or highly detailed renders, Standard is definitely the better choice because it focuses on quality and realism. For this example, I'm choosing Standard because I want maximum detail. Next, we have Number of Generations. This controls how many different AI versions you want from the same prompt. More generations give you more creative options to choose from, although they can also consume more credits. Once everything looks good, all that's left is clicking on Generate Model. Now, the AI begins building the humanoid robot automatically. Give it a few seconds, and there it is, a fully generated humanoid robot created completely from a text prompt. Just look at the level of detail here. The body structure, mechanical parts, textures, lighting reflections. Everything feels incredibly polished and futuristic. You can rotate the model in real time, zoom into tiny details, and inspect every angle exactly like you would inside professional 3D software. And another great thing is that Meshy AI usually generates multiple variations on the side. So if one version doesn't match your vision, you can instantly switch to another without starting over. Now let's make it even better with textures. You can apply different material styles to completely transform the look of the robot. Metallic surfaces, darker tones, glowing accents, futuristic lighting effects. And suddenly the model starts looking like something straight out of a sci-fi film. Once you're satisfied with the final result, simply click Download, choose the format you need, and your AI-generated robot is ready to use in animations, videos, games, or any creative project. And honestly, that's the craziest part about all of this. What once required hours of modeling, sculpting, and texturing inside complex 3D software can now be done in seconds just by writing a prompt. And AI 3D generation is only getting started. So the workflow is simple. Text to image to 3D, everything powered completely by AI. With Meshy AI, you can create amazing cars, characters, environments, and cinematic visuals in minutes. No design skills needed. From simple prompts to fully detailed 3D models, everything happens in just a few clicks. If you want to try it yourself, check the link in the description. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.